boy Jersey J, man. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today I got in store for you a little mod day. I got a couple of buddies over, and we're gonna take all our cars and do a couple mods that we've been wanting to do on a nice day off. So what I'm gonna do now is try to get you introduced to everybody, get you knowing who they are and who's their car, and let you tell them, or let them tell you what they're gonna do to their car, and maybe you could tell them what you think you want to see next. All right, guys. Come outside. I'm going to introduce you to everybody, and hopefully we rock out with this one, man. Hope you guys like it. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So I'm outside right now, man, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a couple of the cars that we got here for today. Honda gang, you're going to be happy, man. There's some Hondas in store for today, but they're not the usual old Hondas that you guys are used to. So what I'm going to bring to you guys today is a couple of newer Hondas we got here. The guys are local to me, man. We actually used to be all part of the same car club. But right now I'm going to show you a couple Hondas that they brought through today. We're going to do a couple mods to them, nothing too crazy. I think one of them are getting an exhaust, so you're going to be happy with that. But let me show you guys the Hondas, man. There we are. Look at that scoop on there, guys. So guys, just to let you know, actually, this is one of my first times getting real up close and personal to a real Type R, the newer model. And I gotta say, I didn't think I was gonna like it that much, man, but that thing is sexy. I take back any one of my friends out there that heard me talk smack on that, man. I take it back, man. That thing is nice. Got a wide body to it. Hey, that exhaust looks crazy. What you guys think? Well, here, let me show you, actually, because now my boy Cody picked up another car. Now, shout out to all you Type R gangs out there, man. I respect y'all cars. But, you know me, I got an SI. I got an 8th gen. So, I really like this car because it's an SI as well. So, come check this one out. Look at her sitting clean, huh? Now, guys, in the comments below, if you get a chance, man, let me know what you guys think about these, center exit exhaust. As you can see now, this SI is pretty bone stock, but you see that center exit right there.
Alright guys, so Jersey just had to step out for a second, so I decided to step over and I'll just explain to you guys what's going on. We got the SI on the lift right now, and we're getting ready to install the exhaust, and Cody's actually going to be doing his own work. So we're going to talk to him and find out what he's doing. Cody, what you going to be doing right now?
I'm installing a Greddy Catback exhaust system.
What's good, guys? So I'm back. I guess my phone died because I was using my phone to record while my camera was charging. But we're still back at it. We're still underneath the same car.
So same fucking size.
What, just the inside's different?
It's a totally different inside.
Yeah. Cody, let us know what you're doing right now.
All right, so right now I lubed up the nuts. They're all loosened up as well. I got the rocker hangers already lubed up too, so it's an easy takeoff. Just talking about a custom system for my buddy here, but I'll get to it.
Alrighty, man. Now this is considered a Catback exhaust, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And now do you have an OEM downpipe still?
OEM downpipe, yep.
Alrighty.
I am going to upgrade.
Alrighty. So guys, when you guys hear what this exhaust sounds like, just keep in mind and remember, if you got a stock Civic SI around the same year with the same motor, this is what this exhaust will probably sound like for you. So LZ, why do you smoke cancer sticks?
Because I'm addicted.
Ha! You hear that, Marlboro? You ruined his life. Yeah, man. Which one of y'all getting there next, man? We here for all y'all.
More lube.
More lube.
Give him that KY, bro.
Don't flop down.
I got it. See? If you gotta say I don't help, man, I'm cameraman and helping, man. What y'all talking about, man? I could kind of say I did this whole exhaust system by myself. I feel, you know that statue when you got the dude who's holding up the globe? That's what I feel like right now. Yo, any of you guys looking to buy a stock exhaust, hit us up. We got you for the low. Nah, chill, I'm just kidding. We're gonna get somebody over there like, yo, I buy Cadillac converters.
I think I'm gonna invest in like a hanger tool.
Yeah, I got one at the house. I couldn't find it. Oh, come on.
You hear these guys? Hanger tools. It's called a screwdriver and some WD. Get at it.
That's what I got here.
See, that's what I like too, man. Showing people that the hanger don't come off in the first try. Because a lot of people's videos, bro, they be like, boop, and it just fall right off. Like bullshit. I smell bullshit.
Watch, I'm gonna edit it like that too.
Yeah. It's like, yo, you go see a YouTube video, right? Trying. It looks like the first try until you look at the knuckles. They got bloody knuckles.
Oh, fucked up.
This one's gonna be a
They
bitch.
cut to a flame, they're just bleeding.
You can tell the next shot he looks way madder than before.
Take them all off first, and then you better push it up and give them a play.
The hour just pulled up. Look at that grizzly bear walking over here.
I can't be in this club. I don't have a Honda.
Wait a minute, go home, check. I know you got a lawnmower, a snowblower. Come on, man. Something got to be Honda in the crew. He looks like he's digging through stickers at a car show.
Yes, sir.
He has no need for any socket right now. Nobody asked him for one.
Nobody asked me for a 14.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, he did. Look, did you not ask for a 14?
Yeah.
He got it already, bro. He's already tightened the
You
bolt.
already got it?
Oh, I need a wrench for the backside.
Oh, I see.
He's still looking at sockets, though, even though he said, I need a wrench.
Oh, you doing the wrench? Oh, shit.
Oh man, it's all one piece.
14.
Watch it when you drop it.
Yeah.
How's it look? That a new exhaust, huh?
That's a big difference, like the way it's put and everything.
Yeah. So it takes this whole triangular piece
Yeah, that's weird.
and just straight jets it. Well, what they did is they put two huge mufflers in an L pattern to save bumper space, but I guess it fits it. Good old Honda emissions.
I would try and use that stock.
Now they're smaller. That's what I was just looking at.
Yeah, fuck it. You know what I mean? You ain't strip no bolting on you.
I might end up having to take the back. We'll see. We'll see.
What's happening?
All right, putting these on. Missing a fucking nut here. This fucking backside.
You're a nut, Curry.
Good guys, we're back, and actually real quick, it went up pretty good. Shout out to Greddy, man, because they seem to make a really good and simple system. But he has it all just mocked up now. Everything's loose, so he's gonna go around and tighten it. You know, we just had to make sure it fit. But I literally put the camera down for a few minutes. Had a couple conversations. Turn around, this shit's done. But guys, yeah, it's looking good, man. So stay tuned. I'm gonna give you a nice little sneak peek at it. So what do you think about the fitment and how it went on so easy, man?
Oh, it went on pretty good.
Yeah?
You can have the option to change the ones off the downpipe, but I'll save them for when I put the aftermarket on.
Yeah.
Because this one I gotta punch them out.
There you go. That's a smart move.
They always had the most fire shit, bro.
And like $6,000. That's a lot, bro. Well, I was waiting on the 401k for the.
Oh, all right. So that was the time. It wasn't on him. It was on his situation.
didn't take long once the money was in his hands.
You check it over.
Button up nicely, man.
We'll give it a little sound check. Then I'll check. We gotta lift it back up so I can check for leaks.
Sounds good. All right.
Sound check. Check for leaks.
You're still looking a lot better.
Just from there.
You coming down?
I fucking good last night. I'm taking her out tonight. Buy extra. I ain't buy fucking extra sheets and fucking pads for nothing.
Because then you got to run the train and all that shit.
I can't open my door with that
You
hand.
should safe to. The train should safe to.
All right, guys, we're about to hear the first sound check we're gonna do with the exhaust. Now, mind you, we still have to check for leaks, but let's see how it sounds. Look at the way it looks. Go ahead.
The suspense is killing me.
Anytime now.
Let her rip.
You can do it.
That's the problem. Before we start.
So, guys. Hit it one more. What's good, guys? We had to take a little quick break because we're at the corner store right now, and I just noticed we got some friends here, guys. Holly Police is here. So yeah, check it out. We're almost finished with everything up today, man. The SI went great, worked out great. The exhaust came out great. So now we're on to the second stage. Tomorrow we're gonna buff my car and get everything ready with that. And then I think Monday we're gonna go do Louise's seats. So we got a couple videos coming up for you guys. So I'm gonna leave it off here. I'm chilling at my local gas station. Chilling, it's my boy right there. Say what up, man.
Hello, how are you?
Dad, it's my guy right there, man. We're chilling at the local gas station, man. Come to Harley, get your gas, man. I'm signing off, man. See you guys later.